Hey, welcome to the channel, Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. And today, we want to talk about sex. Not only do we want to talk about sex, we want to talk about safe sex. Now, as a father of 6, I have 3 teenage boys and I have 2 teenage daughters. The youngest is 7, so he's not included in this conversation. I find the hardest conversation for me to have with my older kids is about sex. STD, guys, can be a silent killer, and if you don't have a good relationship with your kids, they can really damage their bodies if they're not informed, if they're not educated, and if they don't catch the STD in time. Here's a company called myLAB, and we're on their website, and you can see that it's 100% lab certified at-home STD testing. It's from the privacy of your own home. You don't have to go to a doctor. You don't have to face the embarrassment. You don't have to bring your kids to the clinic. You can test them right there at home. Build that relationship with your sons and your daughter. You have the option between the female and the male, and the steps are pretty easy. You can test yourself at home. You get the results, and you also get free consultation. You can have peace of mind when you mail it out. Everything is 100% looking out for your privacy. Test kit come with everything you need to have, and depends on whether you male or female. Everything you need is in the box. So let me go ahead and show you guys what's in the box, and then we're going to come back and talk about the importance of getting tested. So here's the myLAB testing kit. As you can see, guys, they have a small footprint, so you don't have to worry about like a big bulky box to come in the mail. Very small. Open it up, everything is compact. The main thing that you have to do is register your kit. As soon as you open it up, make sure you go right there and register your kit. Here's the instructions. It lays out everything. It have instructions on the outside of the box. This is a male testing kit, but guys, 5 minutes and you're done. It's like 4 easy steps. Collect your urine, collect your blood, and you're good to go. You fill out the front of this paper. Make sure you don't fill out the back. The back is not for us to fill out. Now here is your little blood testing kit right here. You open that up, and it's gonna give you instructions on how to prick your finger and get your blood. That is your urine sample. You put your urine in there, and then you use this little extraction tool to take your urine out and place it into this tube. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to make sure that you find the line and you put the urine directly to that line. Do not go over that line. You seal it, fill it up, put it into the hazard bag with the absorbing kit, and you're good to go. Easy as that. Now here's why it's important to get tested. Alright, so here I pull up my parish statistics, region 3. Now you guys have counties. I live in Louisiana. We have parishes. You want to know the difference, just go ahead and Google why Louisiana have parishes and why other people in different states have counties. As an African American and as the father of African American children, I wanted to show you guys these statistics according to my location where I live, why I think it's so important that you have your kids tested. In 2015, there was 2,482 new diagnoses of chlamydia. Now, when we continue to read, you can see that in the 9 public health regions in Louisiana, 74% of the new chlamydia diagnosis was females, 26% were males. You can see amongst the person known race ethnicity, 63% of the diagnosed was black, 31 were white. Now when I look at that number pops out to me because in this region African Americans are a minority, so therefore they are overperforming when you look at this diagnosis. See that 63% of the people that was diagnosed was black lets me know that there is an epidemic in the African American community. My kids being African Americans, I want to highlight that and point that out to them. Not only have that talk with them about safe sex, but have that talk with them about sustaining from sex. We have to face the facts. We have to look at the numbers. When we look at gonorrhea in region 3, again, the era that I live in, the people that my kids go to school with, the people that my kids work with, the people that my kids socialize with, when we come down amongst persons with known race ethnicity, 74% of the diagnosed were black, 22% was white. When I look at that as a parent, I say that it's very important for me to arm myself with these numbers, face the reality of what's going on in my community, and be able to have that conversation with my kids. And if I see any abnormal behavior with my kids, have that talk with them. If they're not feeling well, knowing that I have the option to test my kids in the privacy of their own home. And as you guys seen on their website, they even have a physician that you can consult with about your next step. Very, very important that you get your kids tested or yourself tested if you think something is awry, if you think something is not right in your body. It can mess you up long term. So there's tons of articles you can read about the prognosis of chlamydia and the effects that it have in women. This particular one I wanted to highlight, guys, to let you see that chlamydia is a bacteria that can easily be treated with antibiotics, easily taken care of if you catch it early enough. But one of the things that it can do, it can cause long-term damage to the reproduction of a woman. So therefore, if you're young, if your daughter is young and she don't catch it in time, it can literally affect her future, whether or not she be able to have a kid. And when we look at gonorrhea, gonorrhea can be devastating, especially to males. If you're a male, it can cause your testes to be inflamed. It can also affect your prostate. It can cause sterilization, and your urethra can be scarred and become obstructed, making it harder for you to urinate normally. Not only that, but a small percentage of people, it can get into your bloodstream, affect your other organs, even get into your brain and cause death. So go ahead, have that talk with your kids, or examine your own self if you're sexually active as an adult. Just know that the numbers are out there that show that there are a lot of people that's not having safe sex. Don't become another statistic. Don't risk your future. Don't risk death. Hey, go ahead and check out myLAB. It's easy to test yourself or your kids at home, or just visit their website, guys, and you can chat with somebody live right here like Kate. Hey, it's your boy taking the bathroom. This has been your PSA. Remember, the bathroom is the only place when you can play your gadgets in peace. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your kids. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.